In this session, we're still busy with stock label printing. So I'm going to say stock reports, and we're going to choose stock label printing. I've shown you how to preview this default layout, and I've also spoken to you about setting up the cost codes. So let's talk about what we've got in front of us. First of all, you've got your sort order, but to enable your sort order to work correctly, you must make sure that you actually have the fields available. For instance, you can't sort according to your supplier code if you haven't added your supplier code to your select visible field list. And remember, if you use select visible fields, always save those changes. Then you can sort by barcode, by description, by department, or by the supplier code you've entered under stock maintenance. Then you've got your label quantities. You can print using the on-hand quantity of your stock items, or you can print one barcode for each, or you can specify a quantity for them all. So I can, for instance, now type in, I would like to print 10 barcodes for all my stock, or I can define a quantity where I can individually double click on each item, say what you would like to print for that specific item. You can also zero all the label quantities, and then you can start over using your define label quantity option. Then you also have 4 types. You've got the first barcode layout, you've got a second one, third one, and a shelf talker. Now let me just give you an idea of what it looks like. Let's say we would like to print 10 of that. I'm going to say one barcode for each. Let me show you the different types. The first type will be the standard layout. Remember, I've added the cost code to the layout. The second barcode you've got, we've just changed the paper size. The third one, we've given it to you in a vertical format, and then you also have your shelf talker. Remember, you can make changes to these standard default reports. And that concludes the detailed explanation of stock labels.